All right, here we go. Here's a new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Just gonna give you guys a very quick unboxing. Nothing too special about it. We're just gonna open up the box and check out what's inside. That's it. Online, I'm sure you guys can find a actual unboxing that has all of the what do you want to call it, like specs and all that stuff we can go through. But we're literally just gonna take the box apart and call it good. That's why it's called an unboxing, right? So cool thing with Google is that this one, they had a no plastic box this time. Everything here is all paper, all recycled material, which is awesome. So props to Google. There it is. Pixel 9 Pro XL. 256 gig is what I got because I typically just want to get a little more than the 128, but 256 is really quite enough since I already have the Google One as well. Here is the USB-C. It looks like it's just a standard 3-foot to me. And we're going to take off the nice protective cover here. So this is really cool, and it's got the in-screen fingerprint. So let's take this side off first. Peel that off. Get you guys a look of it. It's all paper, so doesn't want to rip off very easily at all. Very sticky on those little pieces. Yeah, we'll just rip it, who cares? We're keeping it, I ain't returning it. All right. So that is the device right here. Honestly, it looks like it's a iPhone. To be honest, I know all of you iPhone haters out there, me included. Not really a hater, but I just prefer Android. It looks like an iPhone, unfortunately. So that is something we gotta all look forward to. Standardize just phones these days. But yeah, that is it. Pretty cool. I'll turn it on for you guys at least. Yep, got some battery. Looks fantastic. It's crazy the amount of discounts and incentives that Google's giving you. Like with this phone, I got a new, it's $1,200 for the United States, and they gave you like a really good trade-in, which so I'm gonna be trading in my 7 Pro XL, or not XL, sorry, just Pixel 7 Pro. Trade that in, new Google Fi customer, which I was gonna hop on anyway. And then they give you the $200 store credit just for doing a Pixel 9 purchase. And then they also give you like $100-something for being a Google One subscription, which is me. And then there was a $50 promo I had as well too for watching the video. So thank you guys. Thanks for checking out this unboxing. This truly is an unboxing only. We're not really going into the device itself, but there will be a lot of media coverage out there. So there we go. See you guys.